back to another Minecraft video. I finally built my house. Look, like it? It's not that big. I died and lost all my stuff, which is bad, kinda. Lost all my stuff. I died. I didn't completely lose all my stuff, but lost some of it, and I don't want to die. But I died by a cactus, and it's in peaceful. I thought I set my spawn there, but I don't have a bed. So, what we are going to do today is we're going to go down and get back our coal. We're going to get back our coal. Because I died and lost my stuff. Right now I should be using my wood stuff, but who cares? Look at this. It's funny. I need coal. Give me some coal, please. Please. They usually spawn right here. Go? No. Give me some. Ooh, iron. I need you. I need you. Give me it. Give me it. This is the best day. Finding iron, but not finding coal. That's funny. I see lava. Good to find diamonds. This is the best. Block. There's mushrooms. I thought that was redstone, to be honest. Yay, coal! Need you. After this episode, I'm gonna watch someone do a Herobrine survival thingy mod. I know I'm not collecting that color, I just want to get out of here. So I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna smart. Do that. This is gonna be it. Goodbye, guys. Bye.